This potato au gratin is so easy to make and perfect for the holidays. Start by thinly slicing your clean and peeled potatoes with your mandolin, then season with salt, pepper, onion, and garlic powder. Toss with flour, then mix together warm butter and milk. Butter your baking dish, then add your thinly sliced potatoes, followed by Parmesan cheese, cheddar cheese, and your milk mixture. Repeat until all potatoes are gone, then bake at 350 for 1 hour. Cover with aluminum foil if browning too fast, then top with chives and you're ready to enjoy.